In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a reference in Clip Studio Paint. Now, I usually just use this tab up here in the top right by opening a sub-view. So I go to Window up top, and then over here it says Sub-View. When you click on this, it's going to pop up like a blank canvas in the top right. Now, in here, you can then go ahead and basically drag and drop your image you want to use as a reference. So I'm gonna go and basically just drag and drop an image in here. There we go. As you can see, just like a fox over here. And let's say this is now my reference image. Now, of course, I can just go ahead and then start drawing on here on the canvas, and I can keep this as a reference. I can move it around, I can zoom it in, zoom out, whatever I want to do, okay? If you want to make this a bit bigger, you can do that by doing it like this over here, so we can resize this side panel. But if you cannot see this side panel at all, you can just simply click on those two arrows top right, and it's going to expand, or of course hide it if you click again. Then from here, you can go ahead and of course resize it like this as well to make it a bit bigger, and this is how you can basically add your reference image. That's of course one of the ways I use, but of course there's multiple others as well, so you can use any you really want. That's just the one I prefer. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.